Alright everybody, border property is used to add border to HTML element. The first one is border style. With border style you have to specify the style of your border. For example, I want to choose dotted. My border is dotted with border weight. You can specify the width of your border. For example, I want to choose 2 pixel. I think 2 pixel is so small, I want to choose 4 pixel. The third one is border color. With border color, you can specify the color of your border. For example, I want to take red. With border reduce, you can reduce your border. 50 pixel. Like this. And now let's take a padding. For example, 4 pixel. Now it looks good. Now let's copy this and paste it from here and change dotted into double. Now let's see, this is the double border, and let's change the color of this into green. Now let's see it, it looks like better. And now let's paste it from here. Let's change dotted into dashed. And let's change the color into gray. Now let's see it. This is the dashed border, and let's paste it from solid and change dashed into solid and change the color of this into black. Now let's see it. This is the black border, and we have short, and also instead of these let's write something else. For example, I wanna write instead of these only, I want to write border, and inside the border the first one is width, the second one is style, the third one is color. Now let's see, look, this is our border, and I want to change the width of this into 5. Now let's see it. Look, this was border. With border property you can add border to your HTML element. Thank you guys for your attention.